Very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are good. Welcome back to social class. In our last class, what did you study? Do you remember? In our last class, we studied about the 8 planets. Right? About the 8 planets. How many planets are there? 8 planets. Everyone know, right? These planets, first one Mercury, right? Mercury are correct now? First one Mercury, second one Venus, third one Earth, fourth one Mars, then Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Neptune, eighth Neptune, Uranus, seventh. Right? Do you remember? First Mercury. Mercury is a smallest planet in the solar system. Then this is two-cot. This two-cot, that's why not support any form of life. Okay? Remember? Then Venus. Venus is the second planet in the solar system. Then this also hottest planet, well as the third smallest planet in the solar system is called evening star or morning star. Okay, this Mercury to take 88 days one orbit around the sun. Okay, then Venus over, then Earth is our planet. This is a third planet in the solar system. It is only planet known to support life. Why? This is head from the sun, right amount of heat and light. Okay, Earth has both land and water, air also there. So our planet is also surrounded by air. Okay, so here life, this planet only life. Okay, then Mercury. Mars is a fourth planet in the solar system. This also smallest planet. Then this Mars called red planet. Why? That red dusts are covered with this Mars planet, so looks like red color. So this is called red planet. Then fifth planet Jupiter. Jupiter is a biggest planet, largest planet in the solar system. Okay, then then Saturn is a second largest planet in the solar system, then sixth planet from the sun. Okay, it has 7 shining ice rings, so looks very beautiful. Okay, then Uranus also blue in color. This here also dark rings are there, so this also looks like blue color but beautiful also. Okay, then Neptune planet looks like Uranus, too far away, so this is very dark. Okay, dark and very cold. Okay, understand? Then today we are going to study about the stars. Okay, stars. Have you seen stars? Yes, also we can see at night in the sky, right? You have to today night look at the sky. That time you have to clear night. You have to see at the clear night. Okay, you will see many stars. How many stars are there? You can count? Couldn't count, right? So many thousands and thousands of stars are there. Okay, uncountable stars are there. Okay, understand? Uncountable stars are there. The star is a ball of hot gases that burn at the time, same like our sun. Okay, this our sun. Okay, it appears as a small bright light in the sky at night. Okay, understand? There are many such galaxies. What is the meaning of galaxy? Galaxy, do you know? A group of many thousands of stars is called a galaxy. A group of many thousands stars is called a galaxy. Okay, there are many galaxies. Okay, then one more thing, our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. What is the meaning of Milky Way galaxy? The sun that we see shining on a clear day is part of a huge family of stars are called the Milky Way galaxy. Understand? Understand, ma'am? Milky Way galaxy. Many stars are very large in size. They appear small as they are so far away from us. So looks very small. Okay. If you look up the sky at night, you will find thousands of stars twinkling down at you. Okay. Okay, ma'am. There are thousands and thousands of stars. All stars are huge balls of fire like the sun. So they shine brightly. Our sun also a star. Okay. The sun looks bigger and brighter than the stars because it is nearer the earth than the other stars. Okay. Stars look small because they are very very far away. Okay. Stars shine in the sky all the time, but we can't see them during the day because of the bright light of the sun. Okay. Okay. We know a lot about space and the heavenly bodies in it, but scientists keep finding our many more interesting things. Okay. India has sent two spacecrafts travel in the sky, okay, into space. Chandrayaan 1 found water on the moon. Okay, Chandrayaan 1, that is on satellite. Okay, people had earlier thought there was no water there. Okay, Mangalyaan means another one satellite, took 10 months to travel to Mars and send back photographs of the red planet. Mars is a red planet, right? So Mangalyaan went this Mars. Okay, travel to Mars planet. Chandrayaan 1 went to moon. Okay, satellite. Okay, moon is our Earth's satellite, right? Okay, what are the things are there? How to this human beings live or not live? Life is there or not? That's everything. They have to search and come back. Okay. Okay. Then one experiment. How to shining moon? We have to see. Okay. You have to needed things, a torch and a ball. Okay. Then one dark room. Okay, right? We have to close the window and doors, that is dark, light also off. Then that is too dark. We have to one person you have asked to help your parents. Okay, catch the ball. Another one person that on the torch, and that torch light you have to that place or the torch that side you have to show the ball. That time this torch light looks that ball is shining. Okay, this torch light reflects from the ball. Okay, same like in the same way we are able to see the moon because of the light of the sun. Okay, this moon don't have any light but reflects the head from the light to reflects us. Okay. Okay, understand? Our sixth lesson, geography sixth, the solar earth and the solar system. This lesson fully completed. Do you have any doubt? Please ask. Now you studied everything about the solar system. Then first we learned the sun, then the about the solar system, then about 8 planets, then today learn the stars. Okay, now clear? Now clear? Okay, all should read the book, then study well. Okay, all of you take your book, turn to page number 52. Page number 52. Okay, fill in the blanks. Completed. Roman letter C, neighbors of the earth, that also completed. Okay, now A, match the following. Match the following. Okay. First one, heavenly bodies. Second one, spacecraft. Third one, the moon. Then the sun. Fifth one, Neptune. Okay, right. Then right side. First one has a family of 8 planets. Second one is the Earth's satellite. Is dark and very cold. Okay. Then fourth one, a vehicle that travels in space. Then fifth one, the sun, moon, planets and stars that are found in space. Okay. First one, heavenly bodies. Okay. First one, heavenly bodies. The sun, moon, planet and stars that are found in space. Okay. Found in space. That is first answer. Okay. Then second, spacecraft. Spacecraft is a vehicle that travel in the space. The vehicle that travel in the space. Okay. Then third one, the moon. The moon is the Earth's satellite. Third one. Okay. Then fourth one, the sun. Sun has a family of 8 planets. Fourth one. Neptune is dark and very cold. Understand? Fifth one. Then Roman letter D. Draw a circle round the word that does not belong in the blank. Write the reason. Okay, write the reason. First one, Saturn, Mercury, Uranus. Answer is Mercury. Answer is Mercury. Reason, it does not have rings. It does not have rings. Okay, clear? It does not have rings. Then second one, Earth, Pluto, Jupiter. Earth, Pluto, Jupiter. This is answer Mercury. Reason, I will send. You have to write. Okay. Then Earth, Pluto, Jupiter. This answer is Pluto. Answer is Pluto. It is a dwarf planet. Dwarf means small planet. Okay. Then third one, Neptune, stars, sun. Answer is Neptune. Answer, reason, it is a planet and the rest are stars. It is a planet and the rest are stars. Okay. Then fourth one, galaxy. The moon is the galaxy. Answer, galaxy. Question, moon, galaxy, satellite. Answer is galaxy. Reason, the moon is a satellite while a galaxy is a group of many thousands of stars. The moon is a satellite while a galaxy is a group of many thousands of stars. Okay, clear? Then question answers. Fifth question. Why do first 4 questions completed? Right? Why do the stars look so small to us? Why do the stars look so small to us? Answer, stars look small to us because they are very far away from the earth. And so once again I am reading question. Why do the stars look so small to us? Answer, stars look small to us because they are very far away from the earth. Okay, then sixth question. Which galaxy is the solar system located in? Which galaxy is the solar system located in? Answer, our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. Milky spelling M-I-L-K-Y. Milky, W-A-Y, way. Galaxy, G-A-L-A-X-Y, galaxy. Once again reading I am. Which galaxy is the solar system located in? Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. Clear? Do you have any doubt? So here, this match the following completed. Fill in the blanks completed. Then neighbors of the earth, use the clues to guess who we are and write our names in the crossword. This also completed. Okay, you have to copy it in your book. Then this D also completed, but this D, Roman letter D, you have to circle here, but you write in the booklet. Okay, that is one like a sentence. So this answer you have to copy to your booklet. Okay, handwriting should neat. All should obey your parents. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Bye. Meet again next class. Okay.